What's up, guys? Ryan, and I wanted to really quickly talk about when people ask the question, what are the rates today? It's not that easy. Yes, we could throw out a number, but that's not going to necessarily mean that that's an accurate number for you or your clients. When you ask, what are the interest rates? Here are the simple factors. We've gone over this before, but again, I'm going to run through it. Credit score. Your credit score makes the biggest difference right now, especially as rates are changing. We had a buyer, they're looking to buy a $440,000 house. Their score is a 647. Their current rate today would be 4.625. If they had a 740 score, that rate would be 3.875. And that saves them a good amount of money per month in the monthly payment. Loan program, is it FHA? Is it conventional? Loan amount, each bracket, there's a bracket basically for every level that you go higher. If it's a $100,000 loan versus a $300,000 versus a $400,000, you're gonna have different pricing for that. Loan to value, how much money are they putting down? The more money you have in the game, more money you're putting down, the lower the interest rate. Debt to income ratio, that shows how risky you are. If you have a high debt to income ratio, you're going to have a higher interest rate than somebody who's got a lower debt to income ratio. Is it owner occupied or is it an investment property? Huge difference, because if it's not the owner living in the house, that's another risk factor that they take a look at. And last is number of units. Again, the more people that you have living in that house, the more variables there are to that person living there or to the people that are living there. These are all different things that go into your rate. So when you say, hey, what are rates today? Sure, I could throw out there 3.625 or whatever, or 3.25 or 3.75, but unless you know roughly what the scenario looks like, the rates aren't going to necessarily be accurate for you and or for your clients. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, send us a message, put some comments below. Otherwise, we'll catch up with you later.